Okay, so the vertical lines represent the east longitude and the horizontal lines as northern latitude. So we can call A is located B degree of N and latitude and 1 degree east of latitude. The N were many places we can make like that A, B, C, D like that. If you are making like that E, if you are again E, F, G like that you can give, and N, that is the common we are saying like that. A is located in the B degree, means this is the B degree. A is located here in B degree and here the degree of latitude and 1 degree of the longitude. Like that you can find out the places what we done here. Like that you can do that one. Now you can do by yourself, find out one by one place and look at here once again. This is important for coming lesson also. So we can look at the picture and we can see the 0 degree longitude, that is here upside it is written like that Greenwich, that is the Greenwich line or prime meridian, like the different names we are saying, and degree it is 0 degree. And when it is moving to right side it is coming plus numbers, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 5 like that. And when it is going left side it is coming with minus, right side with plus and left side with minus. Means when we are calculating time, which areas coming after the Greenwich line, means the right side of the Greenwich line, that timing it is increasing plus 1 plus 1. For example, here it is Greenwich line, and here if you can identify the places that is coming in England and moving to European countries like that, France, Poland, like that area, it is 1 hour extra. Then again it is moving, and when it is reaching to India, 5 plus 5.5 an hour extra. Means here when it is 1 o'clock, and here in India it will be 6:30 will be our timing. 6:30 it will be our timing. At the same time, when we are moving to left side, if you are moving to left side, this is the Greenwich line with 0 degree, and here when we are reaching to America, okay, here in USA it is short USA, and that is minus. And here when in England it is 1 o'clock, and there in America, so means 12 minus 7 means it will be 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock will be there in America. Like that we want to find out the timing, that we will study detailed way. We will see how we are making the timing. Let us see that one, the longitude and timing. We already said when I taken that time, I said already longitude is very important, because with the help of longitude only we are going to measure the timing. The best means of measuring time is by movement of earth, the moon and the planet. Very easily we can identify day and night and other things. If we are checking the shadow, the light it is coming from sun, and how much it is lengthy, according to that we can find out it is morning 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. If it is noon time, it will be our shadow will be very small. From that we can very easily we can identify time. But the sun regularly rises and sets every day, and that is naturally and the best timekeeper throughout the world, because it is coming its own time. Now it is means tuned by nature or the supreme power, so it is coming on time and going back on time. So that is the real timekeeper. Our mobile or our watch, it may show different times, but the sun, when it is coming and going, that time if you are fixing, that will be the correct time measurement. And locate time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. Means if you are standing under the sun, directly under the sun in the noon time, we can see our shadow. Sometimes we can't see at all. That means equal where is our leg we are touching, that much only the shadow of the sun. That time is the noon time. And when it is moving, if you are standing looking at the to western side of western side, and morning time, our shadow will be back of us. Then if you are looking to western side, in morning time our shadow will be back of us, and in the evening our shadow will be front of us. And that's why we can understand time very easily. If you are standing looking at south side and standing, and your shadow, the both side, right side shadow, it is moving how much longer, according to that you can find out the timing, and left side how much longer, according to that you can find out the timing. In early morning the shadow will be much longer, and evening also it will be much longer, and 3 o'clock 4 o'clock it will be little bit like that, the length it will increase. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. Means the line of the meridian, when it is from here to here, many countries, it is not only England, other countries also coming, African countries also coming. So this that area, which all countries places coming in this line, that will be the, if it is the midday, means 12 p.m. Then that will be the same for this latitude people. If even it is in a African country or it in European country, the timing will be the same. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places of east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those of the west will be behind the figure, because the earth is rotating. That is, rotation is how it is west to east. The earth is rotating west to east. It is rotating like this, west to east, like that it is rotating. So which lines it is coming here, front of, means before the Greenwich line, the eastern side, that will be plus line, timing is will be ahead, more timing, +1 +2 +3 like that. And which areas it is coming after the that one, that is coming, we are calculating like that, -1 -2, means we are minusing from the timing. Then the rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degree in all about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. The rotation of the earth, that is taking 24 hours time, means total that rotation is 360 degree. So one means in 1 hour 15 degree differences we can see. Thus it is 12 noon at Greenwich. At the time of 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 50 into 4 equal 60 minutes, means 1 hour extra. Here we can see ahead of this one, here this area they are getting, they are already completed 1 hour extra, means here it is 12 o'clock noon time, and here it will be 1 o'clock. As the same time here in India, that will be 5:30 time, 5:30 evening in India. Okay, then, and if you are thinking about the western side, the same time, if here it is 12 o'clock, and if that is minus, if you are going to think about the -1 area, and when it is coming here in -1 area, that timing will be here only 11 o'clock. Like that, if it is reaching to United States, it will be early morning 5 o'clock here. Okay, that much difference we can see here. Means India and America, USA and India, the difference between USA and America, it is 12.5 hours or 12 hours. That is the understanding. Okay, then at any place a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. Means how we are making, we want to look at sun, and 12 o'clock when the sun is coming directly ahead of us, that we want to adjust our clock to 0 degree. From that we can understand that is the 0 o'clock, means 12 o'clock. From that, if it is moving according to that, If he has one person is living, he was living here in America, then he came to England for some days, then he want to allocate his timing, then again he is coming to Asian continent, that time again he want to change the timing. Like that situation we can do that one. Just in the wait up to noon time, look at sun, and when it is coming the highest point, that time make into 12 p.m. From that we can the clock will move, then by that we can understanding the time. So today I am stopping here because it is a little bit difficult to understand. First one, it is longitude, and with the help of longitude and latitude, what we studied both together, we are locating the places, and with the help of longitude we are understanding our timing. Okay, we'll meet next day with the next part of the lesson. Only very less, only 2 small paragraphs only, but we want to understand things very clearly. So I am stopping here. Thank you. Have a nice day.